Morning class. This is the sum we will be doing now. Question number 12, which is based on vertical income statement. Following is the profit and loss account summary of Well Balanced Limited for the year ended 31st March 2021. You are required to prepare vertical income statement for the purpose on analysis. Particulars and amount, debit side or credit side. To opening stock, to purchases, to wages, to factory expenses, to office salaries, to office rent, to postage and telegram, to director fees, to salesman salaries, to advertising, to delivery expenses, debentures interest, depreciation on furniture, plant and delivery van, loss on sale of van, non-operating expense, income tax and net profit. By sales, cash transaction 5 lakh 20,000 and credit transaction 15 lakh. Less return and allowance to 20,000. By closing stock 6 lakh. By dividend on investment, non-operating income, and by profit on sale of furniture, non-operating income. Okay. Let's bifurcate. See, opening stock, which category? Yes, student. Opening stock, COGS, cost of goods sold. Purchases, cost of goods sold. Wages, cost of goods sold. Factory expenses, cost of goods sold. Office salaries, administrative expenses. Office rent, admin expenses. Postage and telegram, admin expenses. Director fees, admin expenses. Salesman salaries. See, salesman salaries goes to sales and distribution expenses. Advertising, sales and distribution expenses. Delivery expenses, sales and distribution expenses. Debenture expenses, debenture interest minus from interest. Depreciation on furniture. See, depreciation on furniture goes to COGS. Plant, COGS, and delivery van, sales and distribution. Loss on sale of van, non-operating expense and less tax. Okay. Then closing stock, less from COGS. Dividend on investment, add in non-operating income. Profit on sale of furniture, non-operating income. Yeah. Let's start the solution. Well Balanced Limited. Well Balanced Limited. Vertical income statement for the year ended 31st March 2021. Okay. Then 4 column. First column for particulars and next 3 column for amount. First one is in vertical income statement. First tab is sales, gross sales. First one is cash transaction and second one is credit transaction. Cash transaction 5 lakh 20,000. Credit transaction 15 lakhs. And okay, total gross sales 20 lakh 20,000. See 5 lakh plus 5 lakh 20,000 plus 15 lakh 20 lakh 20,000 less returns and allowances 2,000 sorry 20,000 gross sales 2 lakh 20,000 less 20,000 return, then total net sales is equal to how much? Net sales is equal
20
to
lakh.
Oh my god, tabs is 200.
yes 20 lakhs. Just wait. Huh? Okay. See gross sales, cash transaction and credit transaction 5 lakh 20,000 and 15 lakh. Total say gross sales is equal to 20 lakh 20,000 less return 20,000. We arrive at net sales 20 lakhs. Okay. Then after net sales less cost of goods sold, cost of goods sold इंक्लूड नाउ अभी देख लेते हैं हम लोग पास क्या क्या है. ओपनिंग स्टॉक how much? Opening stock 7 lakh.
7 lakh.
Yes. Then purchases 9 lakhs. Wages, COGS 1,50,000. Factory expenses 3,50,000. Office salaries goes to admin. See, हम लोग पहले ये स्टेप को कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. COGS includes leave 3 to 4 lines more. Okay. Then after this, gross sales. Here, gross sales is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold, COGS. Okay. After this, next step is operating expenses. Operating expenses includes, first one is administrative expenses. Administrative expenses includes one, leave 5 to 6 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after this, next step is selling and distribution. Expenses, selling and distribution expenses. Leave 4 to 5 lines. Then after this, third one is finance charges. Is there any finance charges? No. The next is operating profit before interest. Then after this, less. See here, one interest is there, debenture interest. Then less debentures interest. Okay. Less debentures interest, we arrive at operating profit after interest. Then after this, less non-operating expenses. Okay. Then after this, add non-operating income. After this, we arrive at net profit before tax. Then less tax, we get net profit after tax. Okay. Now, yes, factory expenses done, COGS. After this, office salaries. Office salaries goes to administrative expenses, office salaries. How much? 25,000. Yes. Then after this, office salaries. Next one is postage and telegram. Postage and telegram amount.
Office
Five.
rent.
Sorry, office rent. Okay. Postage and telegram. Then office rent. Office rent. How much? 39,000.
39,000.
Yeah. Office salaries, office rent, postage and telegram, director fees. Director fees 6,000.
6,000.
Next is salesman salaries. Salesman salaries goes to sales and distribution. Salesman salaries 12,000. Then next is advertising. Advertising is sales and distribution. Advertising. How much?
18,000.
18,000. Delivery expenses, selling and distribution expenses. Delivery expenses 20,000. Okay, next is debentures interest. Debentures interest is
20,000.
डायरेक्ट आउटर कॉलम 20,000 लेस कर रहा है तो ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे 20,000. Next is interest debentures sorry depreciation on office furniture. See, depreciation on office furniture बोला है means related to admin. तो ऑफिस फर्नीचर का हम लिखेंगे एडमिन में depreciation on office furniture. How much? 10,000.
10,000.
Yes. Next is plant depreciation. Just depreciation on plant. Okay. Next is depreciation on plant. Depreciation on plant goes to COGS. Then here depreciation on plant. Depreciation on plant. How much?
30,000.
30,000. Next is depreciation on delivery van. Delivery van related to expenses related to sales and distribution. Depreciation on delivery van. How much? 20,000.
20,000.
Yeah. Okay. Next is loss on sale of van. Loss on sale of van is non-operating expenses. Then it is here. Non-operating expenses. Loss on sale of van. Direct outer column. Loss on sale of van is sorry, 5,000. Yes, 5,000. Then next is income tax. Income tax is here. How much? 1,75,000. Then okay, sales done, return done. Then closing stock. Closing stock is less from COGS. Then here less closing stock. Closing stock is 6 lakh. Dividend on investment, non-operating income. Here, dividend on investment. How much? 10,000. The next is profit on sale of furniture. 20,000. Okay, all entry done, all transaction है ना? The next step is tally करेंगे. See totaling 5,20,000 plus 15 lakh is equal to 20 lakh 20,000 minus 20,000 returns. We arrive at net sales 20 lakhs. Then less cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold includes opening stock, purchases, wages, factory expenses, depreciation on plant, and less closing stock. How much? Yeah, total of cost of goods sold is equal to
10,300,000. 30,000.
yes, 15 lakh 30,000. Okay. Then next is gross sales. Okay, gross sales is equal to net sales 20 lakh minus 15 lakh 30,000. Then gross sales is equal to 4 lakh 70,000. After this, operating expenses less operating expenses. Then operating expenses mein first one is administrative expenses. Add karo or admin 25,000, 5,000, 39,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000 is equal to
85,000.
yes 85,000. Sales and distribution ka total is 12 plus 18 plus 20 plus 20
60,000.
70,000. You know 70,000. Finance charges nil.
Yes.
Then 85 plus 70,000 how much?
155.
155. 1 lakh 55,000. 4,70,000 minus 1,55,000 is equal to operating profit before interest 4,70,000 minus 155, 3,15,000 less debentures interest 3,15,000 minus 20,000 2,95,000. After this, non-operating income less expenses less non-operating expenses and add non-operating income. Okay, then here 5,000 non-operating income 10,000 plus 20,000 30,000 transfer करेंगे outer column में 2,95,000 minus 5,000 add 30,000. Net profit before tax is equal to how much? 2,95,000 minus 5,000, 2,90,000 हो जाएगा. Add 30,000, then net profit before tax is equal to 3,20,000 less 1,75,000 का tax. Then net profit after tax is equal to
45,000.
1,45,000 ना 1,45,000. See, net profit after tax 1,45,000 and here in trial balance, see, net profit 1,45,000. Okay, done? Understood? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.